Former Minister of Education Ezekwesili don criticize Nigeria's Senate for putting their standing rules before the Constitution as dem dey handle the sexual harassment claims wey Senator Natasha talk against Senate Presido Akpabio. Ezekwesili talk say the Senate action, including the 6-month suspension of Akpabio, na serious disrespect to constitutional principles and abuse of power. She come also quarrel with Senator Oyekachi for one hot ethics committee hearing where insult her say she stand with Akpabio. This matter don spark plenty criticism as many people dey call for justice and say make Senate take responsibility for the way dem dey handle the case.
Shut up and take him out. Smell him out. Smell him out. Look like a dog. Look at you. Big fool. Fool at 70. Fool at 70. How can you talk like that? After being a senator.
I take exception to a senator.
Why are you talking to me like that?
You are a disgrace to the Senate.
You are an insult to womanhood. You are an insult to womanhood. And you are here to tell the world that you have not changed.
You cannot
violate. You are here to tell the world that you have not changed.
You are.
At 70, you have not changed.
You are a scoundrel.
And we're stopping to take it. I will not take it.
You are a scoundrel.
I will not take it.
To insult.
That is why you can never be here. People like you can never be here. People like you can never be here. How can you be? How can you be a fool?
Not a hooligan.
You are a hooligan.
Mr. Chairman. Chairman of the committee. Chairman of the committee.
And you say I should keep my mouth shut. Who are you to say so?
Chairman.
Who are you to say so?
Chairman
Who are you?
Okay, I'll put some.
And you refuse.
Chairman of the committee.
Mr. Chairman, sir. Mr. Chairman, sir. Mr. Chairman, sir.
Chairman of the committee.
Mr. Chairman.
Chairman of the committee.
Mr. Chairman.
Chairman of the committee. Chairman of the committee. Chairman of the committee. Hello. Chairman of the committee. Hello. Chairman of the committee. My distinguished colleagues.
After the session for her talk with Tori people, Ezekwesili come ask say make dem do proper investigation into the allegations and come criticize how Senate dey suppress whistleblowers under their rules.
Describe it as a gross degradation of the Constitution and the laws of the land, because the persistence with which the Nigerian Senate now tells us that citizens are entirely subject to Senate rules in a country that is a democracy must worry every Nigerian. There is absolutely no basis for the rules of the Senate to have supremacy over the Constitution and the laws of the land. In the suspension of Senator Natasha, that was what happened. They put the rules of the Senate over and above the laws and the Constitution of Nigeria. Today, with this petitioner, they exactly did the same thing. They were determined to use the camouflage of the rules of the Senate to make it impossible for a petitioner that says this Senate committee will not give me fair hearing.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV. TMC News.